Welcome to my channel. I'm doing a very short review on this 2020 Harley Davidson Lowrider. Let you know what the mods I did to it also. It's one of the last. 2021, you can only get the Lowrider S. No chrome. I like the blacked out look, but I think a Harley Davidson should have chrome on it. It's my preference. So I'll let you know what I put on here. Got these halo turn signals. They're Harley Davidson, by the way. These Kuryakyn Grips. Very nice. Didn't glue this one down good, but it's fine. Got my RAM phone so I can switch between bikes. Put the flush mount gas cap. And that's very slick, but it does come off easy with your gloves. Move to the back here. Got a little bit of a problem finding the Harley Davidson turn signals. So I just got the smoked out lenses and then put yellow bulbs in it. This is the LED brake light. I'll turn those on in a minute. Very bright. It's not the factory. Got the curved license plate frame. Really like that rather than it sticking up in the air. It looked like a for sale sign. I've got another video with a sound. Tab performance. Got the stage 1. Didn't have enough kickoff for me, so took it back, got the stage 2, tag it, and then they'll be putting a 107 stage 2 tag on that. I do have the Kuryakyn pegs coming in. I did get the shifter. I didn't like this factory shifter because it left black marks on your shoes. Very nice bike. I'll start this up for you. Please join my channel. Just click subscribe if you like it. Click like. I've got a long way to go to get to 1,000. The content, it'll always be there. I'll add more subscribers I get. We'll do rides. There it is. 2020. Lowrider. Thanks for watching.